Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really fun video because we are doing an unboxing and it's actually my Christmas 2020 unboxing, so I'm so excited for this. I don't know if you remember, but a few years ago, I think it was like 2-3 years ago, I did a Coach Christmas unboxing, and for some reason this video was quite popular. It's probably one of the most famous video I've done on YouTube. Obviously, like, I don't have that many views, but I'm just saying this was probably one of the most popular for some reason. Still some people watch it today. I still get some question about it today, which is quite odd, and I really thought that this video was just going to be like a video I would have done for myself and then people would not care really much, but for some reason people actually love this brand, and I've realized with time that I really think people love Coach for some reason. And I used to be against the brand. They just got better, and now I'm so happy with what they've done with the brand. You know, I feel like they rebranded everything. When you go in the store, it's actually beautiful. The style is actually nice. You know, when I go in the store, I actually want to buy so many things. The clothing section is honestly to die for. So I was online and I was actually minding my own business. Just so you know, I was not trying to buy anything. I was honestly just minding my own business. And then I think it was on Facebook or something, I saw the ad, and that's when I saw the most gorgeous pair of boots. And I just couldn't resist. And I'm sorry, but I had to. And I'm just so excited to show you because let me explain to you why I decided to buy them. I've been looking for a pair of boots, a pair of high boots in burgundy for a while now, and every single year. By the way, I'm talking weird because I have something in my mouth and it's really hurting me, so if I'm like speaking in a really weird way, please be nice to me. It's actually hurting when I'm speaking. Okay, so what I was saying is that I really was trying to buy a really nice pair of high burgundy boots and I just couldn't find them. So originally what I really wanted was kind of the crocodile texture, and I kind of gave up on it. I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just going to look for nice burgundy leather boots. Even if it's like suede or leather, I don't mind. I'm just gonna find what I find, I'm just gonna take, and that's it. I saw the most gorgeous burgundy boots from Coach, clicked on them. They were originally, I think, $500, and now they are actually on sale. So instead of buying them online, I decided to go in the store. I called the store and I asked them to put them aside for me because I really wanted to try them. The reason is very simple. Sometimes with boots, I'm having a really hard time when it comes to sizing. So I don't know if you've noticed, but every single time I'm doing an unboxing, when it comes to like boots, sneakers, anything, I'm never sure when it comes to the size. I'm like, I don't know if they're gonna fit because I'm always changing size for some reason. So I don't know if I am the problem or the companies are actually the problem. It's like, can you just make up your mind on one sizing and that's it? So obviously with like boots, I'm usually an 8 or 8.5, but when it comes to boots, I'm actually a 7.5. So I was very skeptical about the size yesterday, but when I got in the store, I think they all fitting me quite well, but I feel like I have to wear them in my house and to actually see if they fit. I don't know, I'm not sure. So let's get to it. We're gonna do the unboxing, and first of all I want to show you the cute packaging. By the way, the box is huge and the bag is actually huge. So this is it. Oh my god. Okay, look how tall. Look how big this is. We look good together. Is my new boyfriend and I'm so in love, and I love this bag so much. It's actually so huge I can't even reach it. No, the unboxing is not just for the bag, it's actually for what's inside. Wow, this is heavy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this. Originally she made me a packaging that I didn't really like, so I was like, can you do it nicer, because it's like for a video, so please. And I have this thing, like when I'm in a store, I'm expecting like a super nice packaging, especially when it's Christmas time. I'm expecting you to do a really nice bow. Perfect. Let's open this box. It's Christmas time. Well, the tissue paper is actually not very nice, but that's fine. Ta-da! Ta-pa-pa. Can you see them? I feel like I'm more in love with them. Okay, I'm just gonna like change side. I feel like I'm in love even more today with them. So look at this. How gorgeous are these boots? I'm like in love. The only thing is, I was actually skeptical about this because it's not, the heel is not the same fabric as this, and this is kind of, I don't know, like pattern something. It's not pattern leather, I'm guessing it's not, but I wasn't sure, but it actually looks super nice. It's actually leather completely, 100%. So like I said, in boots, I'm usually 7.5, and this is exactly the size I took, and it's not too big, slightly tight, but I feel like because this is leather, I think it's better if when you buy them slightly tight, just because they're gonna be a bit bigger after. So I think the size is actually perfect. I'm super happy, and I actually bought a little something that I really wanted to show you. I thought that was so cute. Okay, look at this. I'm not a fan of the mask thing. I think it needs to go. I hate it, to be honest, but I kind of fell in love with this because I always have like the ugliest mask for some reason, and then when I saw this one I was like, how much is this? And then she was like $20. I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna buy it. There's actually a unicorn on it, and the reason why I took it is because it's actually like a burnt orange, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I love this color. So this is the mask, and look at this. And you have like this is the unicorn. That's fine. I'm just gonna do some close-up of the boots, and then I'm gonna wear them to show you how they actually fit, but I think they look quite nice, and they don't go over your knee, so they kind of go just like in the middle of your knee, which is something I absolutely love, by the way, because I don't know, I have something with like knees for some reason. I don't think they're quite good looking, so when I have like a boot that is slightly higher and like in the middle, I feel like that's, I don't know, I like it. They might actually fit with this outfit. So this is not like real crocodile, by the way, this is just like the texture, but I don't know if you see, it's not like super shiny, it's not matte, it's like kind of in the middle, which is something I love. What I was saying, like it's not the same thing, but it actually goes well together. And then the zipper is just from here to like almost in the middle of the boots, so it's not like a whole zipper. I actually love them so much. They're really cool. Yeah. Okay, I'm definitely keeping them. So, you know, this is what I meant. It doesn't go like, obviously it's not like well, it's actually the middle of your knee. So it's not under, it's not over your knee. It's like really in the middle, slightly under the middle, I guess, if you want to be more precise. But really like them. Look at this. Like, I love this. For me, it's like super nice. Yeah, we are keeping them, guys. It's really nice on. How gorgeous! So excited to wear them. So if you were looking like for a really nice Christmas gift for yourself or for someone else, if you want to be like super generous, these boots are actually on sale for $300. Like I said, it was originally $500. It's real leather. I love Coach because honestly the quality is amazing. I have boots from them. They are still in perfect shape. They look amazing. I'm actually thinking about buying a bag from them, so we'll see. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to actually buy it. Some of their bags actually still expensive even though they go on sale, but like I said, it's actually worth it. So I'm kind of very surprised with Coach still to this day. I don't know, I kind of fell in love with the brand, and now I'm like, oh, every year they come up with beautiful things. By the way, I broke a button here, which is the reason why you can't see everything. If you're wondering, by the way, my dress is from Joy. I think this is from Joy. I don't want to say anything stupid, or I think that's from Joy. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This was probably like the quickest unboxing ever, but I just really wanted to share with you my purchase. And if you do have a Coach, I highly suggest you go in store to buy everything instead of buying it online. If you do buy a bag, I think they personalize every single bag. I'm not sure. If you do buy something from them, a bag, or I think even maybe like a wallet or something, or travel wallet, you can actually personalize it. And if you're giving this as a gift, obviously that's like a super nice touch. You didn't know what to buy for Christmas, for people, or just for yourself, I think Coach is like a great place. Honestly, I was in a store yesterday and the girl was like trying to make me pay, but I was just not paying attention to her. I was like, oh my god, I literally need to buy every single thing in the store. And they have the most gorgeous jacket. Okay, I'm just gonna stop there. Like, honestly, just go in the store and just buy everything you see. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I was so happy to do this Christmas unboxing because it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I get so excited when it's Christmas, as you can see. So my next video, I don't know what I'm going to do for my next video, but I feel like I should be wearing the boots and maybe show you like proper outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow me on my Instagram at Café, or my fashion blog www.donnacafe.com. I'm trying to post every single week, but sometimes it's a bit harder. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet, or just a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you super soon. Bye everyone.